Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video on the basic thermal engineering. Today we are going to discuss another important chapter from the basic thermal engineering, that is the gas turbine. The content of the today's lecture is we are introduction, that is introduction of the gas turbine, applications and the limitations of the gas turbine, open and closed cycle gas turbine. Now introduction, okay. Now, gas turbine engines derives their power from the burning fuel in the combustion chamber and using the fast flowing combustion gases to drive the turbine. Okay. Now, basically, what this point want to tell you is that we are using the burning fuel in the combustion chamber, and this burning fuel we are using as the source for driving the turbine. Okay, when you talk about the simple turbine a diagram, it is consist of the compressor which is used to compress the air, combustion chamber where we burn the fuel, and finally the turbine where air is get expanded, and that sorry, air is get expanded, and due to which the turbine starts rotating, and this turbine energy will be used to convert it into the electrical energy. Okay, the generator is usually coupled with the turbine in order to produce the electrical power. Okay, the gas turbine operates on the principle of the Breton cycle, okay, where the compressed air is mixed with the fuel that is in the combustion chamber and burned under the constant conditions, pressure conditions. Okay, we'll move to next. Now we'll move to the classification of the gas turbine. The gas turbines are classified based upon the two parameters. First one according to the path of the working substance, and second one according to the process of the heat absorption. In first classification, there are three types, that is closed cycle gas turbine, open cycle gas turbine, and the semi closed gas turbine. In according to process of heat absorption, there are again two types, constant volume gas turbine and the constant pressure gas turbine. Here are the some of the applications of the gas turbine, that is where we can use or where we find the applications of the gas turbine. Okay, so these are the some of the application where we can use the gas turbines. See, they are used for the electrical power generation. That is a very important aspect of the using the gas power turbine, used in the used in the jet aircraft and the ships, used in the running the locomotive, used for the supercharging the IC engines, used in the gas power plants. Okay, so these are the some of the applications of the gas turbine. Along with the application, even the gas turbine has some of the limitations. Okay, so these are the following limitation that the gas turbine has. Thermal efficiency of the gas turbine, yes, when you talk about the thermal efficiency and when we compare it with the IC engine, that is internal combustion engine, the gas turbine has always less efficiency compared to that of the IC engine. The starting of the gas turbine is not so simple. Okay, uh, when we know that in IC engine the starting of the vehicle is very easy. Okay, whereas the starting of the gas turbine is a quite difficult process. Closed gas turbine cannot be used in a aeronautical engine. Why? Because it requires a cooling water during the operation. With wide operating speed of the fuel, control is comparatively difficult. Controlling the fuel, that is fuel control, is the comparatively difficult in case of the gas turbine. Okay, so if you overcome this limitation, we can effectively use the gas turbine in many applications. Now start with the first cycle, that is open cycle gas turbine. There are two type there are two types of the gas turbine. One is open cycle gas turbine, closed cycle gas turbine. And the major difference between the open cycle gas turbine and the closed cycle gas turbine is, in open cycle gas turbine, the air which is used, the air which is used as a working substance, okay, once the work is done, it is exhausted to the atmosphere, whereas in case of the closed cycle gas turbine, the same air will be used repetitively in a loop. Okay, so we'll understand the aspect of the open cycle gas turbine. So in this cycle, air from the ambient atmosphere is compressed. Yes, now see here, this is the open cycle gas turbine. So let us discuss first which are the parts. Compressor. This is a compressor where the air from the atmosphere is taken inside this compressor and which is compressed isentropically, okay, to increase the temperature and the pressure of the air. This pressurized air will be enter into the combustion chamber. Okay, this pressurized air will be into the combustion chamber. The air is heated further by the burning the fuel air mixture in the airflow. Now, in the combustion chamber, the fuel is burned. See here, here fuel is burned to increase the further temperature of the air. Now, this hot gas air will leave the combustion chamber and it will hit the turbine. Okay, now in turbine the air get expanded and due to which the turbine starts rotating. Okay, this rotary motion of the turbine is used to develop a power where turbine is coupled with the generator which is used to convert it into, that is rotary motion of a turbine is converted into the electrical power. Okay, and finally once air is expanded in the turbine, whatever air remaining it leaves to the atmosphere. We are not going to use again this air for our operation. This is what the major difference between the open cycle and the closed cycle gas turbine. Okay, I hope this explanation is clear. We'll move to the next, a closed cycle gas turbine. In a closed cycle, Breton cycle, of course, it works on a Breton cycle. Working medium recirculate. Yes, this is the point what I discussed. Now see here, even in this diagram you can, sorry, even is in this diagram you can see it. See here, air enter from the one side, it will go through the different process. Okay, it will leave the turbine, and same air will be again used. It will go to the heat exchanger, again it will be used for the operation and it will continue. Okay, so that air which is used as a working substance initially, same air is used for the again and again for the our operation. Okay, and that is the major difference between open cycle and the closed cycle gas turbine. Okay, in this turbine, so what happens, a heat exchanger, now these are the heat exchangers, is usually used only to clean the medium with the no combustion product travel through the power turbine. Now how the operation of this takes place, now operation is same as that of the open cycle turbine, only extra part here is the heat exchanger. Okay, now what is the use of this heat exchanger, so whatever air which is coming through the turbine will go through this heat exchanger. Okay, and what heat exchanger will do is it will bring back the temperature of the air to the original position, and that air again will be used as a working medium through the compressor, and this process will repeats in a cycle. Okay, I hope the concept of open cycle and closed cycle gas turbine is clear to you. Okay, we'll meet in the next video with the another lecture on the gas turbine. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.